I'm just playing with colors here. To be honest, this is not my favorite painting. But everything we make does not need to be a masterpiece. I think what matters is that we just keep showing up. We keep making art. We keep listening to whatever needs to come through. It's Pride Month, and lately I've been thinking a lot about pride. Not just in the rainbow sense, but of course that too, but in the real kind of what am I proud of? That quiet pride, that kind that lives in you when you know you're really becoming more of yourself. So let me ask you, what are you proud of? Something that maybe no one even sees, but means everything to you. I'm proud of the work that I do with the people who love differently and choose to live differently, especially my LGBTQ community, my queer people, and those in relationships who don't follow the so-called norms. That's why I'm leading a seminar for therapists, teaching ways to use art in therapy to support your LGBTQ clients and those navigating ethical non-monogamy and other non-traditional paths. Because art gives us space to explore without judgment, to tell the truth when words fall short. So if you're a therapist, or even just curious, come join me for the seminar on June 23rd. And hey, what's something you're proud of? Drop it in the comments. I would love to hear. And happy Pride.